Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Microsoft Copilot Studio, Episode 3 of 15. Even the most advanced AI agents eventually need deterministic logic for specific business rules. When a customer asks about your return policy or store hours, you cannot afford a probabilistic guess from a language model. You need a strict, guaranteed answer. Topics and nodes give you that exact structural control. Think of a topic as a discrete conversation path. It is a predefined dialogue tree that dictates exactly how your agent handles a specific intent. Your overall agent is essentially a collection of these topics working together to route the user. A frequent point of confusion is the distinction between system topics and custom topics. It is simpler than it seems. System topics handle foundational agent behaviors. These govern core events like greeting a user, ending a conversation, escalating to a human, or catching an error when the agent does not understand the input. You can modify their text to match your brand voice, but you cannot delete them. They are permanent fixtures of the system architecture. Custom topics are the paths you build yourself, entirely under your control to handle your specific business scenarios. Inside every topic, the conversation executes top to bottom through individual steps called nodes. Nodes are the functional building blocks of the path. To understand how they interact, picture a custom topic designed to handle inquiries about store hours. When the user triggers this topic, the first step in your flow might be a question node. A question node prompts the user for information and waits for a specific type of response. In this case, the agent asks which city the user plans to visit. When the user replies, the node captures that response. This introduces variable management. The question node automatically stores the user answer into a variable. You now hold a distinct piece of state in memory, allowing you to route the conversation dynamically based on what the user just said. This is where it gets interesting. Instead of delivering a generic reply, you add a condition node to evaluate that variable. A condition node acts as a logical fork in the road. It checks the current state of your variable against rules you define. If the stored city equals New York, the node directs the flow down one branch. If the city equals London, it directs it down another. You can add as many branches as you need for different states, plus a fallback branch if the variable does not match any known city. Finally, at the end of each conditional branch, you place a message node. A message node simply displays text or media back to the user. The New York branch hits a message node stating the store opens at 9 in the morning. The London branch hits a different message node stating the store opens at 10. By chaining question, variable, condition, and message nodes together, you dictate exactly how the logic flows. The single most important takeaway here is that topics isolate your deterministic business rules into predictable paths, ensuring your agent responds reliably when precision matters more than generation. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.